In a few minutes, you'll build your first digital twin in Unity. A conveyor that moves a real part. Free, no code. Let's build it. Start with a fresh scene. Tools, realvirtual, create new realvirtual scene. You get a base plate, lightning, and the runtime. Ready to go. Now the geometry. In the project window, open the realvirtual starter package. You find it here. Assets, 3D prefabs, 3D models. And let's take the conveyor big and place it here. Once again, now it's here. Set its position to 0 so that we have it centered in the scene. You should select here pivot to always see the pivot point of the objects. It's even a little bit too low for the feet, so we can move it up, because pivot point in this case is not well aligned. Right now it's just a 3D model, the kind you get it from CAD systems via importing it, for example, via the Unity Asset Manager, if you've got Unity Industry license, or you could use within realvirtual Professional the JT or step interface. In the pre-starter version, you could use Blender or any kind of export formats CAD systems are providing. For example, you could directly import into Unity FBX or OBJ files. Also GLBs with some extensions. Now the motion. On the same game object, click on the surface, which should be the colliding surface for the goods. And here, open Quick Edit by clicking here or pressing F1. So select this here, the surface, the Conveyor 2 element, and we'll add here a transport surface. The transport surface is added here, and this means that the surface is colliding with the goods later on. Additionally, we need a drive. By clicking here, we add a drive, and we can add a direction for the drive. You see here, let's select this direction. This should be the forward direction of the transport direction. For the drive, we should already turn it on. Select here jog forward, which will make directly when starting the simulation the drive to turn forward. We still need something to move. So select again the transport surface and press Insert on your keyboard, which will drop a source onto the belt. A source spawns parts, what realvirtual calls movable units or MUs. Let's slide the source to the start point of the conveyor and directly start the simulation by pressing here on play. You close this info button, maybe switch back to the scene mode. I always place the game window here so that the scene mode stays in front. And on the drive, for example, it's still a little bit slow. You can go to the drive and select here a higher target speed of 200 millimeters per second. All our units are always millimeters or millimeters per second, or on rotational movements, degrees per second. That is your first digital twin, built from scratch, geometry, a transport surface, a drive, and a source, all working together with no code and realvirtual starter. In the next tutorial, we add a sensor to detect the part and signals to connect to a PLC, all free in the starter. Subscribe to the link which is below here. Thanks and goodbye.